Want to scale your influencer campaigns without hiring a team? AI is changing the game. Here's how creators and brands are using it right now. Tools like HypeAuditor and Aspire use AI to find perfect influencers matching your niche and budget instantly. Instead of hours of research, get verified creators with real engagement metrics in minutes. These platforms analyze audience demographics, authenticity scores, and past campaign performance automatically. Jasper and CopyEye help influencers write captions, hooks, and scripts 10x faster. ChatSuite analyzes trending hashtags and trending formats. These tools suggest optimal post times, caption lengths, and content angles based on your audience data, perfect for scaling content without burning out. Branded for and Brand Watch monitor campaign performance across platforms. Track mentions, sentiment, and conversions automatically. AI predicts which influencers will deliver the best ROI before you even launch. Real-time dashboards show exactly what's working and what isn't. GRIN uses AI to automate influencer outreach and contract negotiations. Send personalized pitches at scale without sounding robotic. The platform manages agreements, payments, and deliverables automatically. Save weeks of back-and-forth emails and focus on strategy instead. Ready to automate your influencer marketing? Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and smash that like button. Drop a comment on which tool you're trying first. Drop a